Here comes your pre-market summary for Wednesday, December 21st. Futures back in positive territory once again, coming off a bit of a bounce. It was very lackluster at the end of the day yesterday, but we did end in positive territory for U.S. markets, coming off of 4 straight to the downside going into the weekend. And to kick things off on Monday, consumer confidence coming up at 10 a.m. this morning. That could be a market mover. Make sure you're with us live for that. Here's a look at how futures stand right now. 0.65 for the S&P, 0.76 there for the Dow, about 0.5% for the NASDAQ. Good to see everything back to the upside, including futures here in Toronto, pointing to a 0.7% gain. At this point, crude oil on a bounce, 2% right now. Negativity at the bottom end there for some of the crypto markets. That's the way the overall market's looking still. In this big move down, unfortunately, we did get a green candle yesterday, but the uptrend on the S&P 500 has definitely been broken as we chop around within the range now. A few interesting names. Tesla, yeah, another absolute plunge yesterday into the close. If you remember, this thing sold off right through to the bell. Electrek this morning reporting the company is looking at a hiring freeze going into next year and a fresh round of layoffs to come as well. We'll have a look at Tesla, obviously. Nike on watch here after a beat. They actually beat right across the board, forecast better than expected as well. Big move down over the past week or so here for Nike, so could be set up for a nice bounce today. Yeah, this interesting this morning for Google, another one that's had a huge move down over the past couple of days. NFL said to be in advanced talks with YouTube over Sunday Ticket for YouTube and broadcast rights. Wall Street Journal reporting that this morning. We'll have a look at Alphabet coming up. Lucid back to the upside 2 days in a row here. Deliveries of the Dream, the Air Dream, set to begin in Europe, coming off of $1.5 billion in financing secured yesterday. FedEx up on earnings. We have Palantir on a new deal as well. Number of individual movers to kick things off for Wednesday. Grab the watch list, guys. Come join us then at 8:30. Remember, consumer confidence coming up at 10 a.m. this morning. Should be an exciting one. We'll see you then on TraderTV.Live.